You won't believe your eyes when you see what's coming with the new Google Pixel 9 series. This is going to be huge. Google recently announced the Pixel 9 series will launch in August, 2 months earlier than expected. This has led to a flood of Pixel 9 leaks, including a hands-on look at the phone's design and new AI features. What's up, everyone? Today, we're diving into the hands-on video of the Pixel 9. This video comes from an Algerian source and shows a bright pink Pixel 9. While Google hasn't officially confirmed this color, rumors have mentioned a peony option, which might be what we're seeing here. The phone also features flat edges, a shift from the rounded sides of the Pixel 8. Now let's discuss why Google is launching the Pixel 9 series earlier than usual, and typically Google unveils their Pixel phones in October, but this year's event is set for August 13th. There are a few possible reasons for this early launch. The most likely one is AI. Google is deeply invested in AI development, and the Pixel series plays a crucial role in this strategy. Launching the Pixel 9 in August gives Google a chance to showcase their new AI features ahead of Apple's next iPhones, which are also rumored to be AI-centric. Speaking of AI, thanks to a leak from Android Authority, we have a sneak peek at some of the new AI features coming to the Pixel 9 series. There are some familiar faces like Circle Search and Gemini, but also 3 exciting newcomers. First up is Add Me, an upgrade to the Pixel 8's Best Take. Remember how Best Take could fix someone's blinky eyes in a group photo? Add Me goes further, ensuring everyone is actually in the picture. No more retakes because Uncle John stepped out for a second. Next, we have Studio. This seems like an all-in-one AI image generator similar to Apple's Image Playground. Studio integrates with apps like Messages and Notes, allowing you to create fun and playful images directly within the app. Finally, the most intriguing feature, Pixel Screenshots. This might sound familiar. It closely resembles Microsoft's controversial Recall feature. Recall automatically captures everything you do on your Windows machine and lets you search for it later using on-device AI. However, major privacy concerns are raised because anyone with access to your device could potentially read everything Recall collected. Thankfully, Microsoft paused the rollout to address these issues. For the app, adds details like app names and links, then uses on-device AI to let you search for specific screenshots or ask questions about them. It's a much more secure and user-friendly approach than what Microsoft initially proposed. It's worth mentioning that many companies, including Motorola, are working on their own versions of this, so you'll likely see it on your device sooner or later, even if you don't grab the Pixel 9. By the way, did you hear that Samsung is redesigning the S25 Ultra? Click here to see what it might look like, and I'll see you there.